Cool. Okay. I have my classes back. It's very exciting. Yeah, so I just had Japanese class and I have a million things to do tonight. So I'm going to do a quick read here and it'll probably just be a few minutes, but I did like 10 minutes yesterday. So it's going to be fine. Also, it's going to be like 30 seconds because that's my dinner. Let's just go over some vocab. So himetsu, I know. That one is secret. Oya is landlord. Bareru is to be revealed. Okay. Bareru. It's weird because it's like part katakana, which I don't really understand why. Tabun is maybe. Apato, which I knew is apartment. Petto is kata, pet. Dobutsu is animal. Kau is to have a pet. Neko is cat. Tora. Oh, Tora is tiger. So Tora-san is like tiger. That's cute. Okay. Shimamoyo is striped. So like in a pattern. Kowai is scary. Nazukeru is to name. Nazukeru. Okay. Himetsu ni suru is to keep a secret. Kaisha is company. Joshi is boss. Moraru is to receive. Koneko is kitten. Kureru is to give. Kazoku is family. Sabishi is lonely. Hantoshimae is half a year ago. Genkan is entrance. Okay. Matsu is waiting. Tadaima is I'm home. Moshigashitara is maybe. Kyodai is sibling. Itsumo no yoni is as always. Bikkuri suru is to be surprised. Bikkuri suru. Okay. Hitori gurashi is living alone. Okay. Kaetsu is to return. Suguri is immediately. And daiji ni suru is to take good care. Who knows if I'll remember literally any of those, but that is legitimately all the time I have today because that doorbell was my dinner delivery. So, ciao,